Hi friends. Welcome back to A.O.R.E Dailylife Channel. Have you ever dreamed of growing your own mushrooms at home? Well, guess what? You can. And today, I'll show you how to make your own DIY mushroom grow kit. It's cheap, easy, and super rewarding. Let's turn your home into a mini mushroom farm. Why mushrooms? So why mushrooms? Well, they're delicious, full of nutrients, and you don't even need a garden to grow them. With just a little moisture and a cozy space, mushrooms can grow almost anywhere. Fun fact. Did you know mushrooms breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, just like humans? Crazy, right? What you'll need. Let's get you started with the materials. You'll need Number 1. A clear plastic container or a clean bucket. Number 2. Some straw or sawdust that is boiled or pasteurized. We'll use this as the growing bed. Number 3. Mushroom spawn. We recommend oyster mushrooms for beginners. Number 4. A spray bottle with clean water. Number 5. And something to poke air holes like a fork or a drill. Pro tip. You can find mushroom spawn online or at local gardening stores. Just make sure it's fresh. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Prepare your substrate. Boil the straw or sawdust in hot water for about 1 hour to kill off unwanted bacteria. Then let it cool and drain well. Step 2. Add the spawn. Once cooled, mix your mushroom spawn evenly into the substrate. Step 3. Pack the container. Layer the mix into your plastic container, firm but not too tight nor compress hard. Step 4. Make air holes. Poke small holes in the lid or sides for air. Mushrooms need to breathe too. Step 5. Keep it moist. Mist with water 1 to 2 times a day, and store it in a warm, dark space. Soon you'll see white fuzz growing. That's the mycelium doing its thing. In 1 to 2 weeks, baby mushroom will pop up. Fun fact. Mushrooms are more closely related to animals than plants. Weird, right? And some types of mushroom can grow in just 7 days. Harvest and tips. After about 10 to 14 days, baby mushrooms will start to appear. Once the caps open up and flatten, gently twist or cut them off, and boom! You've got fresh mushrooms. Fun fact. Mushrooms can double in size every day during their growth stage. That's faster than most vegetables. Now that's what I call fast food. Quick tips. Number 1. Avoid direct sunlight. Number 2. Don't overwater. Soggy substrate equals no mushrooms. Number 3. You can reuse the same kit for 2 to 3 flushes, more mushrooms for you. Number 4. Use gloves or sanitize hands. There you have it, your very own DIY mushroom grow kit. Healthy, fun, and super satisfying. If you love this video, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on more smart farming hacks. And hey, drop a mushroom emoji in the comments if you're going to try this at home. I'd love to hear your mushroom growing stories.